Hello YouTube. If you have some problems with your Mackie controller and it makes noises like my Mackie controller and the noises comes from your monitor speakers, what can you do? In my case, the solution was the power adapter. When I looked at my power adapter, I find out he has loose contact. The cable, it's not perfectly in the power adapter. When I take it, moment, no. Now it don't makes noises. Yes, the power adapter makes noises, but when I put the cable very hard in the power adapter, then it doesn't make noises. Okay, change your power adapter or find out what you can do. Yeah.